Once again, IDs, welcome to IDN 532. My name is Joe Ryan. I'm the professor for this course, IDN 532, and I'm really, really glad to have you along. I'm really encouraged, actually, about this particular run because, we have 8 students enrolled as of film time right now, which is really an exciting thing. I mean, that's the highest number that I've had enrolled in this course since it started. And for the summer session, it's pretty remarkable. So. Welcome, and I think it's going to be great. I mean, with the good numbers, I think we're going to have some great interaction. I think we're going to have a great opportunity for sharing of ideas. And in fact, I'm actually going to have to make some changes because normally I just do one group with discussion boards and things like that, and I think I'm going to have to break it into 2 groups just so we have a good opportunity to have some robust discussion. So you can actually expect that. I'm going to remind us of that this particular coming week. But I'm an senior instructional designer up at Northeastern in Boston, and that's where I get most of my artillery or my information or the things that I do that I bring to the table here, and hopefully it'll be of some use to you as well. So that's that particular thing. I'm a dad. I'm a husband. To my husband, Carol Ryan. I got 3 children. Julia is 12. Joey is 9, and Jack is just about 5. And we live in Plymouth, Massachusetts, and we really, really like it there. It's a great place to live, and it's a historical place, and we're near the ocean, and so it's really a great place to be. So. How did I get to instructional design? Well, it's really interesting. I spent a lot of years as a teacher, a public school teacher, and it's one of those things. It's it's a hard racket sometimes when you're in a competitive environment for teachers. And I had a lot of layoffs that happened over the course of my career. I've bounced from kind of one place to the other. And I got to a point where I was just like, I think I want to try something else. So actually, I went and I started a construction business. And I started teaching courses in construction at a community college. And as I was designing, a course or two, which the dean had asked me to do, I realized, I think I kind of like doing this thing, like designing courses and like creating curriculum and things like that. I wonder if there's a job for this. And so my wife actually did a little search, and we went into Wikipedia and found out, yeah, there's this job. It's called instructional design. Maybe we ought to give that a shot and explore it a little bit. So I did. I went to UMass Boston and, did an internship there, and I got hired at Northeastern, and that's kind of been the story. And since then, I'm in a career path now that I really love, that's really growing, that's going, I don't think, much of anywhere in terms of its need. So it's a really great career path, and I think you've made some good choices in deciding to do this particular thing. An interesting thing about me is my wife Carol is actually Palestinian, and so that posed some really interesting things to me. It's actually really impacted my life. I'm really connected to Palestinian culture now, as my wife is Palestinian and my children are as well. I'm been more enlightened about some of the things that happened and are happening with that currently. That attached with some of the experiences I had in my early teaching career has really kind of elevated and raised my cultural awareness of certain things of that nature, and culture and cultural identity and certainly bias in research and in teaching and things like that. It's really impacted the way I do things. So it's been a very, very wonderful thing in terms of helping me both in my personal and professional growth. So that's that part. And I think that's about it. I'm really glad again that you're a part of this course, and I'm really looking forward to seeing what you have to say about yourselves. And welcome to the course, and enjoy Module 1 and Module 2 as they come. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.